Hello, everyone. My name is Sabina Jules. I am the owner and chef at Motherland Kitchen. I would like to talk specifically to my summer barbecue hosts. During the barbecue, what do we see? Ribs, burgers, chicken wings, all the meats, a few salads, and breadsticks. Now, we forget a good part of our guests, the people who call themselves vegans or vegetarians. So Motherland Kitchen is here to help make your barbecue or your backyard celebration very interesting for everyone. So reach out to us and we will prepare the vegan dishes that will go very well with your barbecue events. Or if you don't want to buy the food directly from us, join our cooking community in YouTube and learn how to make those vegan dishes. So when you have your barbecue, you'll be able to serve those who eat meat as well as your vegan and vegetarian guests. So let's be inclusive and let everyone that comes to your barbecue event go home satisfied. Motherland Kitchen is here to help.